In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an Excel file to Google Sheets using Google Drive. This is a simple way to bring an existing .xlsx file into Google's ecosystem so you can edit it in your browser and collaborate in real time. First, open Google Drive in your web browser. You can use any modern browser, and it's best to be signed into the Google account where you want the file to live. Once Drive loads, take a second to make sure you're in the correct account and on the main My Drive page so you'll easily find your upload. Next, look to the top left corner and click the New button. This is your starting point for adding content to Drive. When you click it, a menu will appear with a few different options for adding files and creating new documents. From that menu, choose File Upload. This tells Drive that you're bringing a single file from your computer into the cloud. A file picker will open so you can browse your folders. Now, locate the Excel file you want to convert. It should be in .xlsx file. Click on it once to select it, and then click Open. The upload will begin immediately. You'll see a small status indicator in the bottom right of Drive showing progress. Larger files can take a bit longer, so give it a moment. When it finishes, you'll see an Upload Complete confirmation, and the file will appear in your Drive with the Excel icon. Once the upload is finished, right-click on the newly uploaded file inside Google Drive. Right-clicking opens a contextual menu with actions specific to that file, and this is where you'll start the conversion. From the menu, hover over Open With, then click Google Sheets. Drive will open the file in a new browser tab and convert it into a Google Sheets document. You'll notice the Google Sheets interface right away, and the file will now be saved in your Drive as a Sheets version. Your original Excel file remains in Drive unchanged, so you effectively have both versions. This is helpful if you ever need to download the original format again. That's it. You've successfully converted your Excel file to Google Sheets using Google Drive. Most standard formatting and formulas transfer smoothly. If your spreadsheet contains very advanced features or macros specific to Excel, some elements may behave differently, but the core data and structure should be ready to use. From here, you can work directly in Google Sheets, confident that your file is now in a format that's easy to access, edit, and collaborate on from anywhere.